If you've ever wanted to create a character but got stuck at the very first step, this video is definitely for you. Not because you lack creativity, but because character design feels complicated. Sheets, proportions, consistency, multiple angles, outfits, details, etc. Most people hear character design sheet and immediately assume they need drawing skills, software knowledge, or hours of planning. But the truth is, that's how it used to work. Today, it doesn't. A character design sheet is basically a visual reference that shows what a character looks like in a clear, consistent way. It usually includes the character's appearance, outfit, defining details, and multiple views so the character stays consistent no matter where it's used. Artists rely on these sheets for animation, comics, games, VTubers, and original characters. Now, traditionally, creating one meant sketching, refining, drawing, redrawing, and spending hours or even days just to get something usable. That's exactly where most beginners get overwhelmed. Traditional character design requires planning, drawing skills, and experience. You have to know how proportions work, how to keep details consistent, and how to translate an idea in your head into something visual. For people with zero design background, that process alone is enough to make them give up before they even start. Now, this is where PixAI completely changes the experience. PixAI has a built-in character design sheet generator that's made specifically for this purpose. It's not a generic image generator that you need to wrestle with. It's purpose-built, beginner-oriented, and designed so that you don't have to understand how character design works at all. The process is almost hard to believe at first because of how simple it is, I know. You open the PixAI toolbox, choose the character design sheet preset, upload an image, and generate. That's it. No manual setup, no workflow building, no prompt engineering, no design knowledge required. In seconds, you get a clean, structured character design sheet that looks like something that would normally take hours to make. And this is the most important thing to understand if you're new. You don't need to know how character design works to get a character design sheet. PixAI handles the complexity for you. You're not learning anatomy, you're not learning layouts, you're not learning how professionals structure reference sheets. You're just getting the result. This makes PixAI especially useful for complete beginners who just want a clear reference for their original character, OC creators who want consistency, and content creators or hobbyists who don't want to sink time into learning design tools. It's also great for anyone who's curious about AI character design, but feels intimidated by traditional workflows and being overwhelmed by them. PixAI isn't limited to professional artists or designers. Don't get that wrong. In fact, it's built for people who aren't. The character sheet generator is there so that you can focus on ideas instead of technique. You bring the concept and PixAI handles the execution. The biggest takeaway here is simple but powerful. Character design sheets no longer require you to be a character designer. You no longer need to learn drawing, prompts, or workflows just to create a usable reference. With PixAI, character design sheets can be created in seconds and they're accessible to literally anyone. If you've been putting off creating a character because the process felt too complex, this removes that barrier entirely. You don't need skills, you don't need experience. You just need the idea. PixAI does the rest.